Hey, Dr. Martin here with another how-to video on how to use Office 365. You might not know that as a student you get to use Office 365 on the cloud for free, and you can download it to a couple of your computers at home. So I'm going to show you how to access Office 365 and how to download it. Okay, so I'm going to switch over here to my demo screen while I get a drink of water. Okay, so we're going to start at the Shasta College homepage. And if you haven't checked out our website for a while, we just updated our site. It looks amazing. Grateful for the IT department and the website committee who got this all working for us. All right, so we're going to click on the Shasta portal link here. Now, by mousing over this, you'll be able to scroll down or come down a little bit, and you can choose Portal, My Shasta, or Canvas. Pretty soon it's going to be just the portal, and that's what we want here. Now, if you're on your phone and your screen is a little bit more narrow, you might not have this link here that says Shasta portal. But if you click on this other link with a magnifying glass, and then you come down over here on the left, you're going to see the portal link there. Either way, it'll bring you to this portal page. Now, you're going to sign in with your student ID, right, or your username, which should be your student ID, and your password. Now, I recommend that you use the same password for all of your school stuff. That way there's less to forget and less to remember. I think that works out. You're going to click log in. Now, if you don't have a username or password, or you don't know what it is, scroll down a little bit, and here's some helpful links down here to get you going. Okay, so we're going to click log in, and it's going to bring us to the portal page. Now, you're going to have some of these links, some of them you may not. We're not going to click on Canvas. We're going to go to Office 365. Now, yours might just say 365, or it might say for students, but it's going to take us to the same place. So we're going to click on that. Now, here from this page, you can use all of these Office tools from right here in the cloud. Office 365 cloud version is almost exactly like the downloaded version. A few differences in tools and whatnot, but for what you need for school, it's there. And they give you some space to save some of your files on here in the OneDrive. Okay, so let's say you want them installed, and you might want them installed because you might not always have internet. You might not be in a place where you have internet, but you will have your computer with you. Or if you're taking CIS 1, for example, you're going to want to use the downloaded version because it's slightly different than the cloud-based version. And we're going to do that by coming over here to this little link here. It says Install Office. So we're going to click on it, and we're going to say Install Other Install Options. Okay, so we're going to click on Other Install Options, and waiting. Okay, so now we have we can install Office on up to 5 PCs, 5 devices, right? So 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets or smartphones. Okay, so and you're just going to click Install right here. Click, and then it's going to be installing. It's going to show you're installing down here, or downloading down here. You're going to click Install, and then it'll just do it. But it's right there. So pretty awesome that not only do we have free access as students to Office 365 Cloud, but the downloaded version, which you also might hear as Office 2019. Okay, but the 365 refers to the cloud version, and 2019 refers to the install version. So we click here, yes, okay, we're good. And then it's going to start installing there in the background. Just follow those on-screen prompts. All right, awesome. Tell your friends, come to Shasta College. You get free Microsoft Office and some great classes as well. So I will say goodbye at this point. If you like this video, if you want to learn some more about some cool features of Office, like the Word References Manager for writing all your papers, subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will be able to see all of my videos on the Shasta College courses and other stuff too. All right? So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.